Okay.
Okay, so hard palate, ridged, soft palate behind it, tongue with papillae, epiglottis.
Wow.
Here in the neck, this enlarged area is the larynx, the voice box, which leads to the trachea, which you can see the rings of cartilage on. We're going to do that in lab this week, I think.
Okay.
This little brown thing here is the thyroid gland, and then sitting on either side of it, like here and here, are the thymus glands.
Okay.
Underneath the trachea is the esophagus. That's why you need the epiglottis to protect the trachea, because the esophagus is right next to it. Just this little tube here.
Okay.
We're going to get to the blood vessels probably a little bit later, but tonight in lecture we're going to do the heart. So 4-chambered heart, surrounded by the pericardial sac, which is this layer of peritoneum. Remember that the triploblastic animals have a peritoneum.
Okay.
In this pig, it covers every organ and it lines every body cavity. So this is peritoneum here as well. This little thin, shiny stuff. So on the heart, the thing to keep in mind is that the right side of the heart, it's the right side of the pig, okay? So that's its right atrium and the right ventricle below it. And there's the left atrium and the left ventricle below it. On the either side of the heart, you've got the lungs. This is the diaphragm muscle for breathing. There's a whole thing is the liver. People never want to believe that, but it's true. The green sac there's the gallbladder. And tonight we're going to focus on the digestive system. So here's the stomach. If you kind of flip the stomach over, the yellow bumpy thing here is the pancreas. And then next to the stomach here on the left, this long thin flap is the spleen. Okay, so food comes in the mouth, esophagus, stomach. All of this is small intestines. And this stuff here with the blood vessels in it, oh, okay, I forgot to mention. The arteries have been filled with pink rubber, pink latex, and the veins with blue.
Okay.
So you can see these pink blood vessels here. They're sandwiched between two layers of peritoneum. That's called the mesentery. Okay, so all this is the small intestine. Now, the large intestine in the pig is a little different from the humans. This pouch at the beginning of it is called the cecum. And this part's called the coiled colon. And then you've got the descending colon going down to the rectum, which is down there. And then the anus is going to be out here, right underneath his little tail.
Okay.
Okay. Over here we've got one of the kidneys. Got one on each body wall, but I just cleaned up this one. From the kidney, urine flows through the ureter into the urinary bladder, which is this thing right here. We haven't actually gotten this far yet, but this is a male pig. And so the testis is out here. This kind of enlarged area here thing is called the spermatic cord, which includes the vas deferens, which is the white thing here. What you see on the vas deferens is that it goes from the testis, and then it goes inside the body, and it looks like it's going into the bladder, but it's not. It's going into penis, which is right out here, this little tube. And there's the opening at the end.
Okay.
And we're gonna, like I said, tonight we're gonna focus on the digestive system.